South County Library walking trail. It's a great trail, just a short distance away from TW controls. So I like to come down here, just walk, clear my head. Not really a super health fanatic, but I do believe it's good for your mental health. A little interesting tidbit about this. So obviously it is a wetlands, and it used to be an iron smelting place. I don't really know the terms, but this whole area was rich in surface iron rocks. And so they bring them in here, melt them down, and turn them into, I guess, ingots or whatever to sell. And actually, can you see it? I know the leaves are growing up too much on the trees now, but right up on Merriman is the old Speedwell home, and I believe that is the son of the person who founded the iron smelting place. But obviously being a wetlands means it is in a low area, so it flooded several times, and finally the last time it flooded they didn't rebuild it. I hear that somewhere out on 460 is one of the furnaces from it though. They took it from here and took it out there. Right in there, you can look really close, you can probably see it. There's an old structure there, and I've always wanted to go over there and check it out. I'm always in my sandals, it seems like, when I'm walking down here though. But I think it was probably an old spring house, because being swamp, obviously it doesn't have great water just sitting around. But if you found somewhere water was bubbling up at, then you could dig up around it, build a spring box around it, and have some safe drinking water. I'm on the boardwalk of the trail now. I guess it's called a boardwalk. It is a walk with boards. I usually think of boardwalks as being on the beach, but this one walks over the wetlands. And I call it the wetlands. You know, I looked it up on Google Maps, and it's called Starkey Swamp. I've lived here 20 years. I've never heard this called Starkey Swamp. I've always heard it called, well, now I hear it called the South County Library Walking Trail. And before that, I heard it called the old iron place. But it's early spring, so it's not really grown up yet, but this will be a rich display of wildlife and birds, and there'll be frogs singing here in probably less than a month. Across the street is Penn Forest Elementary School. Has a great playground, lots of ball fields, soccer fields. My kids went to school here. This is a great community to raise kids in. One really cool thing right off the trail is the Starkey School, or the old Starkey School. So that was originally a one-room school, and now I believe it's a three-room school. And the whole community, that's where they went to school from their first year all the way through graduating from high school. I hope one day to get to go in it, but I don't know anybody that'll let me in. And I told you I wasn't a health fanatic, so at the finish line there is a Domino's Pizza. And on a week that we're really behind, yeah, I will stop at the grab pizza on the way home.